One thing that I know when I taught sixth grade, my students loved a good, healthy classroom competition. So when I've got I've got a regular lesson going on, maybe I pulled in my resource from, my activity that day. I've got a lot of tools here that really allow for me to get just kind of spruce things up a little bit. One that I really like is the spinner. So, one of the ways that I've used this in the past, and also I always encourage my teachers to do as well, is when we're at the end of the lesson or when we get through a main concept, one of the key features of knowing if the students have learned it is if they can then go have a conversation about it. So, if they can talk about it, if they can draw about it, if they can communicate what they were just taught, then that's often a sign that they're getting it, right? And so utilizing the spinner to then create, because this is fully customizable, teachers can create they can add different items, they can make it as however they want, but being able to put things like, how are we going to think out loud today, right? So I can add a spinner here that has, think, pair, share, or four corners, or, shake, stop. And so to spruce things up, instead of always kind of reviewing that concept or content in the same way, I can now have a student come up and go spin and choose what activity are we about to do to go digest everything that we just learned. So I would say something as simple as that can really kind of bring some energy back into a lesson that has been taught, whether it's a million times or just one time.